guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This is going to be an unboxing video, a Lush box. Don't know if you guys can see, it's a Lush box. So if you guys have seen this box in Lush, you may already know what's inside it, but for those of you that don't know, it's called the Happy Daze box, and inside there are 4 bath bombs. Now, I'm a big Lush fan. I have never tried a bath bomb before. Hashtag Lush time. And inside the box you have an Intergalactic bath bomb, Over and Over, Creamy Candy, and the Comforter Mini. Now, I have no idea which is which because, actually, tell a lie, I'm lying. Inside is a little leaflet just to illustrate what is inside. Okay, right, so this one is the Intergalactic bath bomb. Very pretty. It looks like the space galaxy. If the lighting's going funny, it's because I am recording this in natural lighting. This bath bomb is very sparkly. It's got hints of pink, yellow, and yeah, it's sparkly. There's bits of glitter in there, and it's meant to just fizz. All of the bath bombs are vegan. It smells heavenly, and you use it by just dropping it in your bath. It just explodes. Also inside the box is Over and Over. This kind of reminds me of something from Pokemon. Alright, this one has cocoa butter, coated lime, and fennel oil bomb. It will perk you up and leave you thinking about it over and over again. This one's very citrus, very, very nice. Can't wait to try that. And also inside, this is what it looks like inside. Also inside is the comforter, and it looks like this, like a nice dessert swirl. It's a bubble bar, and crumble a little bit or a lot or the whole darn thing under running water to unleash oodles of bubbly joy. It's a berry and blackcurrant, and it smells very nice. I can't really smell the blackcurrant, and berry isn't very strong. I can't really pick up on those scents, but very nice, and I can't wait to try that. And the last but not least is the Creamy Candy. This one consists of coconut butter and vanilla essence, and again, you just crumble a little bit or pour the whole thing or crumble the whole thing in the bath, leaving you feeling luxurious. That's everything from the box. Now I'm covered in sugary particles. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe,